Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and eliminating easy causes. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked, charged, and on the latest iOS. Updates fix audio bugs. Once done, remove any case and inspect the speaker grill for lint or debris. Physical blockage often lowers volume. Then turn off Bluetooth and do not disturb so audio routes to the internal speaker. Set the volume to about 50–70% to give you headroom for testing. Now run targeted software checks so you know whether it's hardware or software. Open Control Center and setting sounds and haptics to set ringer and media levels. Test with voice memos, Apple Music, and a phone call to see which source is quiet. If volume differs by app, force close that app and relaunch. Restart the phone to clear transient audio services. If problems persist, reset network settings because Bluetooth or routing glitches can muffle speaker output. Finish with careful hardware steps and a decisive plan. If software checks failed, gently clean the speaker with a soft brush or low-pressure compressed air. Do not insert objects into the grill. Check the liquid contact indicator in the SIM tray for water damage. If visible, drying alone may not help. As a last resort, perform a DFU restore to rule out firmware faults, but make sure you have a backup. If volume remains low, contact Apple support or a certified repair shop for speaker replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.